Hey guys, Paul from Royal Services Australia. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is all to do with ceramic coating the shower screen. Many of you people out there will know shower screens get quite grimy and dirty from soaps and just general lack of maintenance. It's not a pleasant job to have to clean shower screens, especially in new modern houses where you have multiple bathrooms with shower screens. So we actually are applying our Royal Sapphire. It's a spray on and wipe off product and will last a minimum of 12 months, which is actually... So here you say what are the benefits of ceramic coating my shower screen. Probably sitting there thinking my shower screen looks awesome just the way that it is. And I say to you, well, the amount of chemicals that you buy and use in general to clean your house, and then specific ones to clean your shower screen. If you could eliminate those over the course of 12 months, you definitely get a massive saving in using chemicals that you don't even know what's in those chemicals. So there is a danger to yourself, and there is also a danger to the rest of the family just by having chemicals nearby. So we actually eliminate the need for harsh or abrasive or toxic that we actually recommend after the last person has a shower at the end of the day. They just wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and it will remain streak free and not have any soap scum or shower scum, and it will minimise the effects of fungus and bacteria growth. As I mentioned earlier, the glass is sealed, so it doesn't allow anything to fester in there. So there is your health, the cost and the ease of maintenance, and that's pretty massive, I think. Hey guys, Paul from Royal. Welcome to day 2. We're going to continue coating the glass on this house. We're actually on the roof today, so we're doing the top level and we'll be doing these windows. That's it guys. If you like what you see and you need more info, feel free to log on to our webpage www.royalcorp.com.au, or just use our free call number 1800 931 998. Wait to hear from you guys. Cheers, see ya.